Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to share a journey with a tall coconut tree. It produces the most delicious coconuts for our meals, but with all the new homes popping up around us, those falling coconuts were starting to cause a bit of chaos. Talk about a safety hazard for people and parked cars. So, we decided it was time to take action. After some digging around online, we found Menorah coconut nets, which just so happened to be super close to home. They arrived in less than a day. How awesome is that? For now, they set up a basic net to keep everything safe. But we are already dreaming about a future net that will slide those fallen coconuts right onto our terrace. How cool that would be! The coconut climber zipped up the tree, clearing out old coconuts and branches before casting this net around. It was really fun to watch. Once installed, this net should hold up for about 6 to 8 months before it needs a little maintenance. Since it's tied to the branches, we will have to keep an eye on it as they might wither and fall. The whole installation went off without a hitch, and now we are excited to see how well the net holds up. I will keep you updated on the maintenance too. If you are interested, I'll add the link to Menorah coconut nets in the description below. You can discuss installation and maintenance pricing with them for a great deal. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fun updates.